Hello, STCC. I want to introduce you to a tool called Grackle Docs that is available for all students, faculty, and staff at STIC. It is an extension that allows for you to check Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides for accessibility. Here's how it works. I'm in a practice document. You would go to Extensions, and Grackle Docs will already have been added for you. You're going to click Launch. If this is your first time using Grackle Docs, you will be asked to allow your Google account to interact with Grackle. I'm going to click Launch, and now I see the Grackle menu come up on the right-hand side of my screen, and it's going to identify various accessibility improvements that can be done with this document. For example, the document title is required. I can select to use the Google Doc name as the title. It is also telling me that images in this document need alternative text that would be presented to somebody using assistive technology to interact with the document. If I click on that, I can then locate and tag my images. If I click Locate, it is going to highlight an image that is missing alternative text, such as the image of red tomatoes at the top of my document. If I click Tag, it's going to bring up a box where I can write an alternative text description for the tomato image. So I'm going to write red tomatoes and click Update. Now if I click Recheck, I will see that there are fewer images that still require tagging. I can work my way through all of the errors that Grackle finds in my document to improve document accessibility and remove barriers for all users at STIC.